Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the storage location of your files on CapCut PC. If you just go to the menu page, go back to home page here, and go to the settings tab, go to settings again. Here in save to, you can change the folder by pressing on the folder you want, maybe Roblox, then press select folder. I'm not going to do that though. And then once you're done changing it, just press save. You can also change the download to, and then I'm just going to press save here. And that is how you can change the storage location of when you export videos and like save files in CapCut PC. Actually, that's more for when you save files. If you export videos, it's like in another, I'll put it in another tutorial if you want me to. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.